If you're new to my YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button and remember to click the bell icon to get notifications of all my uploads throughout the week. It's Monday morning, 7th of May, just gone 9 o'clock, and it's a bank holiday, a public holiday again today. So it's just like a Sunday for us here in the UK, and the sun is shining again, as you can see. Ian's still at his steampunk show because it was a 3-day thing, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, but he set up on the Friday afternoon, so it's almost like 4 days. So me and Mr. Bentley are out on our first walk of the week again. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Wait for me. What? You got some grass stuck on your feet? Is that what it is? Well, stand still then. That's it, all gone. Nutter. Oh. It's been hit in the face with some branches. Well, you dropped him. Give me then. Pass him to me. Lightweight. Tis Tuesday, the 8th of May, and it's now 14:44, so 2:45 almost. Can you see my face? Guess who was sat out in the sun too much yesterday? Hardly did any work at all yesterday. I did bits, filmed a little bit, did one or two projects for me yesterday, but most of the day I spent out sitting, playing with Mr. Bentley, and drinking juice, just enjoying the sunshine, having a real nice lazy day. Today has been a totally different matter. So today, first day back at work after the long weekend. As I said yesterday, it was a public holiday yesterday, celebrating May, bank holiday. We do have another one at the end of the month too. Looking forward to that one. So today, we were all back in the office today. So Ian was in the office today. Our lady that comes in and does was in too, Sheila. She came in earlier, and we all went through bits and pieces that needed to be done, emails, whatevers, and that kind of thing. And then I got to work on finishing off a new digi-download set that I've been working on, which are some blank cabinet cards, because I've been asked how I create my own cabinet cards for projects and that kind of thing. So I've done a video today on how to create them. Would you believe this is the one I've just created? So this is brand new, including with the decorative back. Not only have I done the video on how to use them, how to create your own cabinet cards, I've also created that digi-download, which is available on the website now, so you can download and create your own vintage style cabinet cards. That's the kind of day that I've had so far. Mr. B hasn't been out for his walk this afternoon yet because Ian's out now just doing a couple of errands, but he's phoned me just a few minutes ago to say that he's on his way back so that he can get back in time to take Mr. B out while the sun's still shining again. So it is another beautifully hot day today, but I've spent most of the day... Did you run down? Oh, he's just run downstairs. In fact, that could be Ian coming back right now. So I've spent most of the day in my office, in the art room, which is extremely cool today because I've got all the windows open and there's a nice breeze blowing through, and I probably need it because, like I said, I'm a bit red today. It's Monday morning, 10 a.m. Say hello, Mr. Bentley. Say hello. We're going on a little trip out to a local garden centre to buy some plants and flowers for the garden this morning. I'm not going over to Mum and Dad's tonight because Mum and Dad are coming over to stay for the weekend. It's their anniversary this weekend. So we've invited them over to stay for a few days. Just to get them away from home, basically, so that we can kind of pamper them a little bit, take them out for a meal, that kind of thing. So they'll be coming over on Friday afternoon. So today we have the full day to ourselves. So Ian, myself, Mr. Bentley Bobs are all going off to a garden centre.
Hello.
Are you back then?
What?
You back then?
Yeah? Why?
Want to say hello?
To who? Good morning. I nearly got in the wrong car then.
Yeah, I noticed you'd walked in a different
It's
direction.
the same colour, but it's an estate, which is what I want. Okay then.
Wishful thinking. Right, okay.
Wagons roll.
Onward and upward. So Thursday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've got a lot of admin done today. Got some parcels, website orders, all packaged up, ready to go to the post office, which is where I'm heading now. And then straight after the post office, I'll be going to the supermarché, the supermercado, because we've run out of loads of things. The weather's not particularly good today. Well, the sun's shining, but there's a very cold, strongish wind. That's gusting. Gusting. I love that word, gusting. So it can be really still 1 second, and the next minute you're blasted with this icy wind that takes your breath away. It's a strange day today. And oh my word, there's an actual space outside the post office. Wonders will never cease. Get in. Right, well, that's the post office done. Time to go do the grocery shopping. This is going to be a mammoth and epic task today because I need loads. Well, that's all of the grocery shopping done. It's now 1:45 in the afternoon, and I managed to spend less this week than I did last week, but I bought less last week than I have done this week. How does that work? Bizarre. I'm not complaining though. It's 12:50, 10 to 1, and it's the 11th of May, Friday the 11th of May. So I've had a very busy morning today. I got up fairly early, about 7:30, which is early for me. Straight into the office after grabbing a quick shower, getting dressed, and started day job stuff, but also I had to finish editing and uploaded a YouTube video for Indigo Blue. It's my DT project that's gone live today. I then re-edited it, sped it up, put some music to it. I'm going to do it as a fast forward Friday so everybody else can see it too. So a double whammy. My friend Linda phoned this morning, or FaceTimed me, we did a video call. She's hit her 4,000 hours for YouTube, which means that she can now remonetize a video. So that was really good news. So I'm really pleased for her. So she just needs to work on getting the subscribers up now. And had lunch, and then got in the car. There you go. So we're up to date. I'm on my way to pick up Mum and Dad. It's Friday, not Wednesday. It's Friday. They're coming over to spend the weekend with us. I don't know whether I mentioned this earlier in the week or not, but it's their wedding anniversary this weekend. Their 58th wedding anniversary. So they're coming over to spend it with us. We're going to take them on a couple of trips and then take them out on Sunday afternoon when it's their anniversary for a carvery lunch. Just for a change of scenery and for something different for them, because otherwise they'd just sit staring at each other and it'll just be a normal day, and I wanted to a little bit special for them anyway. So change of scenery, waited on hand and foot for the weekend, and they get to have lots of cuddles and kisses from Mr. Bentley too.
Shiraz. God, it's 23 quid.
That's beautiful with all them ferns.
Popping up and down.
So years ago, now we're talking how many years ago do you reckon? About 10 years?
Yeah, easy.
I bought Mum a watercolour painting and it featured a wood and it was carpeted with bluebells. And one of the things that I've always said to her is I know where it was painted, and we always said that we would come to the spot in the painting where it was done. We never got around to doing it, did we?
No.
The place where it was painted is here in this little park area where we are now, and as you've just seen, it's just laden with bluebells all over the place at the moment at this time of year. So we thought, seeing as you're here for the weekend, that we would come and find it, and we have done. Yeah, wave. You'd almost think you were back in like unspoilt prehistoric or almost like medieval times, wouldn't it? You can just imagine Robin Hood to come running through the forest.
What's that down there?
It's difficult filming and watching where you're walking at the same time.
Yeah.
Beautiful ferns, look at them. What's it saying to you?
It's telling me to move the phone continuously to get a video.
Oh, very clever. See, if it weren't full of nettles as well as all the bluebells, I'd say go in the middle.
Yeah.
But I'm not that mean.
I won't go anywhere.
You're too warm now. You're too warm now. You're gonna come and sit with me? You're gonna come and sit with me? Eh? Good lad. As you can see, Ian's decided to pressure wash the drive today while the sun's out. It's a dirty job, a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. So it's Sunday afternoon and Ian's doing the drive, as you've seen, so he's out front playing with his pressure washer. Mum's gone for a lie down after our particularly heavy carvery lunch because it's obviously it made her a bit sleepy and her back's playing up a little bit, so she's gone for a lie down for half an hour, and Mr. Bentley and Grandad are sat outside in the sunshine. So everybody's had a thoroughly lovely weekend, a thoroughly lovely Sunday, so I just thought I would come upstairs, do a little bit of commenting and just checking emails, that kind of stuff, and I just thought I would draw this week's video to a close and just say that it's been a very lovely week this week. The weather's been fantastic and it's been great to have Mum and Dad here for the weekend, so I just thought I would come and draw this to a close and say bye for now, and I will see you next week. I'd also like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, without whose generosity and support these videos would not be possible. Thank you.